Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 152. The word origin today is candidate. Okay, let's take a look at the note. If we say someone is a candidate today, we mean that a person is running for political office. Yeah, that's the most common meaning. A second meaning could also be someone who has the possibility of being chosen for a particular type of job, or maybe even a prize. Like, you could be a candidate for an Academy Award, or you could be a candidate to be chosen for like the Supreme Court or something like that. All right, let's continue. The origin of the word candidate comes from candidatus in Latin. So it comes from the Latin language. All right, this meant someone trying to attain office or get office. So it has the same meaning in this sense. Candidatus derived from candidus, okay, which meant very bright or shiny white, very bright or shiny white. In the Roman Empire, candidates and politicians wore bleached white togas. But remember, that's that kind of a dress that they had that they just kind of like wrapped around them that was white. That was actually called a toga. So anytime you see any politicians from the Roman Empire or very important people from the Roman Empire, that type of cloth that they wore was called a toga. And they wore the bright white ones because that was supposed to symbolize honesty. Just like, I don't know. I know back even when we look at history, we know that not all the politicians in the Roman Empire were always honest, but that's what they tried to portray. Just like today, today they wear all different color clothes, but that's what it was supposed to be back then. Let's continue. Okay, good. This is also directly connected to the word candid, because we use the word candid in English today too, meaning honest and direct. So it has the same origin. Even when hearing the truth may be unpleasant. So if we say that somebody's being candid, they're being truthful, they're being honest, even if they know the words they say, maybe somebody may not be that happy about them. All right, anyway, let's continue. And since most people know candidate, we're just going to give one example here. It is rare that political candidates are candid these days. All right, we could say that. Most would prefer to beat around the bush. Yeah, sometimes politicians don't want to be too direct, too honest, because sometimes it can get them into trouble. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.